Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Urvashi, and today in this video I'm going to talk about 11 UX terms that every designer should know. So without any further delay, let's get started. So the first one is A/B testing. It is also known as split testing. It is an experiment or a technique in which users are shown with the two different variants of a same design to understand which design performs better. Second one is breadcrumb. These are the links that represents the current page and its ancestors like parent page, grandparent page and so on. Third one is accessibility or accessible design. It is a very important part of UX design. It is a design process that enables people with disabilities to interact with your product, or it means that designing a product for colorblind, blind, deaf and people with cognitive disabilities. Fourth UX term is agile. It is a technique that focuses on the fast delivery of the working designs. The sprints and phases of designs are created in order to create interactive prototype at the end of each phase. Fifth one is customer experience. It refers to all the different interactions that the user has with the brand through its products and how user feels about them, and it has a significant impact on the brand trust. Sixth one is flat design. It is a minimalistic user interface design style which contains two-dimensional elements and vibrant colors. Seventh one is gamification. It is a technique which designers use to add or insert gameplay elements into a non-gaming environment to enhance user engagement and user experience with the product or service by adding fun features like leaderboard, badges, progress bar into the existing design. Eighth one is human-computer interaction. It is a field of study that focuses on optimizing how users and computer interact by designing interactive computer interfaces that satisfy user needs. Ninth one is lean UX. So, lean UX or lean user experience is the collaborative design approach based on agile working that focuses on problem solving and minimizing the wasted time. In other words, it typically focuses on minimizing time and effort during the design process. 10th one is microcopy. It is a small bits of copy in UI that assist and helps the user to do the task. Error messages, labels in contact form, e-commerce hints are some of the common examples of microcopy. Last one is MVP. MVP or minimal viable product is the process of creating production ready product based on collaborations with end users, which undergoes continuous iterations and improvements until the final product is created. The key benefit of MVP is allowing the product team to gather ample amounts of user data which will be put into use to enhance the product with time. So that's all for today. I hope you all guys enjoyed this video and find it helpful, and if you did, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos and hit that like button, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description, and I will see you all next time. Bye bye.